Welcome to the Windows Club. I am your host Karan with a video on the best File Explorer tips and tricks for Windows 10. I have always said that Windows is a very powerful operating system. However, most users do not know its hidden tips and tricks, and if you understand them, it would make your life much easier. Same is the case with File Explorer. The first trick is to share files instantly with Windows 10 apps. Here's a file. To share it, simply right-click on it and select Share. Then you can either share it with your contacts on Microsoft, or you could turn on nearby sharing and share it with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Other than this, you could use the default apps like email for sharing it, and if you need anything more than that, you could use the available apps on Windows Store, for example Messenger. And if I can share it using Messenger, it means that my files are accessible to all of my Facebook contacts. The second tip is to find more apps to open a file using File Explorer. Here's a Word file. I can right click on it and select Open With. Now, if I click on More Apps, I would get a lot more applications which are capable of opening this file. But the fact is that I could also open it with OpenOffice or LibreOffice. And to use these applications, select this option, look for an app in the Microsoft Store and click on OK. And then you can pick up from any app which is available on the Microsoft Store. For example, TrioOffice, which is a free version. The third tip is to open this PC by default on the File Explorer. Let us say I open the File Explorer, then the first page would be the Quick Access page. How do I change this to this PC? To do so, right-click on Quick Access, select Options. In the General tab, under Open File Explorer to change it from Quick Access to this PC. Select Apply and then OK. And let us test whether it worked. Yes, it did. This PC opens when I relaunch File Explorer. The next option is to delete recent files history. The procedure is similar. Right-click on Quick Access and select Options. Now, in the Privacy section, you can choose either not to show the recent history at all or clear all the recent history. And once you have done that, click on Apply and then on OK. Let me check Quick Access, and we see no files in the recent history, which is very important for those who are concerned about their privacy. Now the next trick is to rename multiple files. If I had to rename these 4 files, I would actually right-click on each one of them and select Rename. However, there's a trick. Right-click on the first file, select Rename, and without clicking anywhere outside this selection, press Tab to scroll through the files. And as you press Tab, it directly takes you to the renaming option for the next file, as you can see. The last option is to show Recycle Bin among the options on the left. To do so, click on View. In the navigation pane, check the option for Show All Folders, and you can see Recycle Bin here, which would make things much easier if you wish to delete files. Isn't this very helpful? If you wish to know anything else about File Explorer, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.